So normally on Mega Monday, we open a lot of boxes. However, this Monday, we're opening up a mega box. So this is the Habitation box. This is a home decor box. They have 3 different versions. This is actually put together from an interior designer. So the original box is $69.99. They offer a mini for $49.99. And the box we're opening today is called their Elite box, which is $129.99. And these are seasonal boxes. And yeah, like I said, they're all put together with a theme, with the color pattern we'll look at the end. So here I am unboxing. They use all the eco-friendly materials. So at first I was trying to look around to see if there was any information on the items, but that is all online, which makes sense. I can tell it's eco-friendly, see how the packaging material is. He's very minimal bubble wrap. Everything came safely and perfectly, and I appreciate that. So this box is all about neutral colors, and I really like it. I've gotten this box actually one time before. I wasn't sure. I looked it up, and it was like early 2021 when I was in my old place and looked completely different. But I think they give you pieces that you can work in with other seasons that you received. The first item I was thrilled about. They are planters in 2 different sizes. I love the look of them, the color, and I love plants, like seriously. So here is one of the sizes. This is the smaller one. It's still a good size, and yeah, I love that they're brown. I have some other like ceramic ones, but I like the look of this so much better. So I think these are so cute. I have a bunch of seeds. I'm like, what should I put in there? Maybe some herbs? I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, I think I'm gonna show you guys on Instagram or somewhere else what I do with the pieces. But yeah, starting off, I love the planters. I think it's so perfect for this season as well. So it's totally appropriate to go in a summer box or July. And next, we have a frame. So I sped up this part, so I didn't want to make you guys watch me unbox everything. They did wrap it up really well, like I said. So this is a frame that is white and matches everything, obviously. Everything's really well coordinated. I mean, it is by an interior designer. I feel like I'm being repetitive. But this frame says, "This is us," and then you can put a photo there. It made me think of that TV show, even though I've never seen that. I know a lot of people love it. But it's white and wooden, and I think that's super cute. The first thing I thought of is I should put a picture of me and Emmy in it, because like that's this is us. That's who lives here. So I think that's super cute. I like the white and wooden look. I think the next item I show you guys is my favorite though. And by the way, at the end of this video, you have to comment below, or please comment below. You don't have to, but like I would appreciate it if you let me know what you think is your favorite item and what you think of the box. But this is a tray, and I think it's so beautiful, and I use trays and stuff all the time. I feel like I can even use this for like taking pictures of certain things. But it's wooden, and then it has this beautiful design and detail, like texture detail. I don't know how to describe it. And I wish I was better versed in words. You know, you'd think with my education I'd be a little better, but I love this tray. This is so cute. I really like this the most, but I like everything in this box, spoiler. See here, you can see it up close. Isn't that beautiful? I think I might put it on my ottoman in my living room. You can't see it, but it's close by in this view. And we have 3 items remaining. So the next, I think I'm gonna put this sign on my door. You guys have to let me know your ideas too. So it says "No place like home." It's a wooden sign. It has like a rope, like a sturdy thing to hang it with, which I really appreciate. And I just love how this looks. Normally I don't like things with quotes on them and stuff, but this looks, it's like simple, not gaudy. It doesn't say like "live, love, laugh" or whatever the hell, you know, "No place like home." I think this would be perfect for my door. Once I said I was going to make a wreath myself, like who was I kidding? Like I'm not that crafty, but I don't even have the time to do anything. So I think I'm gonna put this outside on my door. I think it'd look really good because my door is black. And there are styling like tips we'll go through at the end of this, so you can see other ideas the owner and founder of this box, the designer, suggests. So yeah, I like this. And then we have, sorry, I should speed this part up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put that there. I wasn't sure if there's going to be something to hold this plant in. But now after seeing photos again, which we'll see in a moment, I actually really like this. It's a hanging plant. It's obviously not real, but I'm thinking I could put this somewhere in my kitchen because it's further away from sunlight. And I just love that touch of green with all these neutral colors. Green is my favorite color. I mean, I love all shades of green. Look at my green velvet couch. I'm still obsessed with it years later. You guys have seen it if you've been around for a while now. But I think that was nice. But at first I thought, I was a little disappointed there wasn't anything to put it in, but I guess you could put it in the planters. So, and I have other things I can do. I actually pulled out some vases to try it out in. And the last thing is this super cute spoon, and I love stuff like this. It has a little flower. You can tell it was handmade, all these items were, and it's just so pretty. And I use spoons like this all the time. So I can have this on display too, and you can even use it with the tray. So that was everything that came in the Elite box. I'm just looking here to make sure that I got everything I was looking for, that card. But then I realized, everything is online, so that will come up shortly. But what do you guys think? I like it. It is expensive, but everything's handmade, and it's all so well coordinated, curated, and I am not good at decorating myself or with style. That's pretty much how I got into subscription boxes. I'm like, I don't know what I like just send me whatever, but now I'm getting into my own style and stuff like that. So here I'm showing everything laid out so you can get a better look at it outside of the box. And yeah, doesn't that sign look nice? I love all the colors too with my couch. So the planters, I honestly like everything. Normally I wouldn't like things that say quotes like "This is us" or "No place like home," but I really enjoy this. The tray though, look at that with the spoon on it. Oh, I love all the colors and the green. I would say I'm more of a colorful person, but neutral home decor and then pops of color with artwork and stuff. I love it. So yeah, this is all the items all together. Don't they look nice? I'm so happy. By the way, this was sent to me free for review. I forgot to mention this in the beginning. I don't have an affiliate link or anything. They are on Cratejoy too, I noticed, but it's $10 more, so I would probably suggest using their website. There might be a code on Cratejoy, it says enter welcome for a surprise code, but I'm gonna link both down below just in case you guys are interested. And they did provide a discount code, so it's not affiliated, but it gets you 10% off. It's kitty10 in all caps. Of course, everything will be linked in the description. But look how cute all of this is. I love this. It makes me happy. And it's really interesting because in my astrology right now, if you guys are into that, my Venus placement right now says I'm probably really into decorating my home and beautifying my space right now. And I thought that was so funny because I'm like, oh my God, I just got a home decor box. And it also says that I'll probably have maintenance men in my house and my dishwasher needs to be replaced. I'm like, wow, just a few examples of how dead on it is. So I'm totally going to be beautifying my space, and I will show you guys some pictures. You have to show me or tell me your recommendation. So here is the pamphlet, but online. So the color scheme, I love it. I love those colors. So here are some examples of the sign, that's a sign on a door. Mine's black, and then they have some tips from the pro designers, and they show several images of the items displayed in different areas of the home, which I think is really helpful. And yeah, here it says, features neutral decor that makes it easy to add your own style. I like that. I feel like this really could work into pretty much anyone's, style or home aesthetic. If you guys get this box, please share pics or a link or something to see how you did it, or just type below. I like that outside too. That area looks super nice. So they have a referral program too, I just saw, and they have a shop you can buy individual items. So I really like that they have a mini box too and the original. So they have 3 different price points and a shop. And I believe the code works on all of the boxes. That will be down below. But I really enjoyed this box. You guys have to let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. I hope you like this mega unboxing of a mega box, a mega big box. That box was freaking huge and I loved it. So thank you, Habitation Box, for sending me this. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I'm so grateful for you. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you super soon. I love you. Oh, P.S. Witchy Wednesday is next. Bye.